Hello, this is a tutorial how to change the brake pads on a 2010 Honda CR-V. Um, it's very simple, straightforward. It's for the front brake pads. Um, so you take off the wheel, of course, tires. Make sure you have your truck on stands. That's one, and that's the other one over there on the other side. I'm pretty sure you can see both of them. Put them in the jack stands. Don't ever risk anything. Safety first. And it's pretty much straightforward. Um, so this is a 14. Let me show you here. This is a 14 millimeter. Let's see, focus here. Focus 14. And it's just clockwise. It loosens clockwise. There's one there, and sometimes it happened to me right now. There's this is gonna spin with the bolt. I don't know if you can see right here, that one. That's a 3/4, or at least that's what I used to stop it from spinning together with the bolt. You can see there, 3/4. I just hold this, see it spinning, and then I did it with the 14 clockwise, and it'll come off. If it's spinning together, you'll be able to see it. And then the second one is right here. It's also a 14. It also has this here. In case it starts turning together, you just use that 3/4 uh, to hold it in place, and then just unbolt. So it's pretty straightforward. Uh, the process shouldn't take you long. So everything's back together. I mean, it's pretty simple. I don't really have to see the whole process. Once you push the pistons back on the turtle, that's how I call it. You put the brake pads in here the correct way. Pretty much the brake pad goes like this. Um, this is what tells you have no more brake pads, and it goes like this. And then the ones in the front, they're pretty much can go on both sides. Um, Make sure you put that grease if you buy the original part, and all moving parts in contact with the brake pads. Um, and then you just put it back in here. You tighten this up real good. Remember, this is 14. This is a 3/4 in case it moves when you tighten them, and you should be good to go. Break-in. Usually, what I do for break-ins for the new pads is I'm driving like around, I want to say 30, and I do hard stops about 2 or 3 times. That should be good enough for a break-in. I didn't resurface the brakes discs. They're good. They're still good. They're still good to go. So if in case you resurface them, you still do the same procedure for break-in. That's what I do. Um, that's what they recommend. And I use genuine Honda parts. You can use plenty others. Just make sure that um, they are compatible and they are not going to harm your discs. So yeah, thank you for watching, subscribe, and there will be more videos coming up.